Hey, hello guys, so welcome back to Hackers Colony Tech, and this is Azhar. So guys, today we are dropping one of the most powerful OSINT tool that we have ever created, that is HCO Social Check. This tool needs no root, no setup, nothing, just one username and the internet starts talking. It can scan across 50 plus platforms in seconds, tracking digital footprints, uncovering hidden profiles, lost accounts, leaked data, and every trace connected to that username. If the username exists online, HCO Social Check will find them for you. So guys, let's get started. And guys, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. And if you want to learn ethical hacking, you can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. I have given the group link in the description. You can simply go to the description, click on the link, join a group where you'll be able to learn about ethical hacking for free. So guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. So first of all, we'll open up the Termux. Now once we open the Termux, we'll type the first command, that is apt update and an apt upgrade space -y. We'll hit on enter. What this is going to do, this is going to update and upgrade all the packages in your Termux. Then we'll go for the next command, that is pkg install git python -y, and we'll hit on enter. What this is going to do, this will install the Python and Git in your Termux if it's not installed. After that, we'll go for the next command, that is pip install request, and we'll hit on enter. After that, we're going to be doing the git clone. So for git clone, guys, simply type git space clone space and paste the link. So I've given the git clone link in the description. You can copy it from there. In case if you have any problem, you can comment, or you can directly join our WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook group. I've given the group link in the description. Go to the description, click on the link and join a group where you can get instant help right away. So git space clone space paste the link and hit on enter. Once this is cloned, then we'll go for the next command, that is cd HCO social check, and we'll hit on enter. To run the tool, we simply have to type python HCO social check.py and we'll hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter, you will be able to see a message that is this tool is locked. So basically this tool is not free, but if you want to use this tool for free, from here your Termux will automatically redirect you to your YouTube app and you will be able to see our Hackers Colony official tech channel. So you simply to scroll down, click on subscribe, then click on the bell icon, turn on all, and then go back to the Termux and then hit on enter, and you will be able to use this tool for free. So make it sure you are subscribing it, clicking on the bell icon, then coming back to the Termux and hitting on enter, and you will be able to use this tool. Now you can see over here HCO social check, enter username, no address required. So make sure you're not adding @ okay, because it's already added in the tool by default. So simply type the username without @ So let me show you an example of my channel itself. So I'm going to just type over here hackers.colony.official. That's the second channel name that we have, and I'm going to just show you an example using this channel. And once I type this one, I'm going to hit on enter, and once I hit on enter, you can see scanning username @hackers.colony.official, and it will start scanning. So you can see it's scanning YouTube, GitHub, Twitter, and all the possible websites it can. And guys, once it's done, and you will be able to see at the bottom scan completed. So what you need to do, so you just need to scroll up a little bit and you will be able to see found, taken on 6, available on 17, unknown on 4. So this username is already taken and it's been used on 6 of the platforms, and it's available 17 of the platform is available. So you can use on all the 17 platforms, unknown is 4. So below that you can also see taken, it's been used on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter X, Telegram, archive.org, and available you can see the names as well. Below that you can see unreliable, it's showing you the unreliable, that is Facebook, Medium, Coro, Tumblr. So guys, like this you can scan any username, find the informations, and you can even see wherever this username is used or not, and based on that you can even create a channel or create a username which will be unique. And if you have to search for something, you can search it simply like this, or you can even find anybody's information just by searching with the username. So guys, this video was till here only, and guys, if you're interested in learning more about ethical hacking, you can join our WhatsApp, Telegram group. I have given the group link in the description. Click on the link and join a group where you'll be able to learn about ethical hacking for free. And guys, this video was till here only. If you found this video interesting and helpful, do like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video guys. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.